Do you guys think that AI is going to kill photography? I'm not so sure it is, but it's definitely going to disrupt the industry, especially financially. See, for me, photography's not just about the photo. It's about the experience and the journey. I love shooting nature and wildlife because I feel like it brings me closer to my creator. There's a sense of peace and beauty in his work, and I feel connected to that. It's the stability that I crave in a world that's chaotic and selfish. And I know that probably sounds cheesy and cliche, but it's the truth, and AI will never replace that. Today we're going to go down some country roads and see what kind of shots I can score, and then I'll head over to the lake. I wanted to see if I can catch some birds in flight and hopefully run up on a hawk or two. I'll be shooting with my 80D and the EF 70-300mm lens. That's all I'm going to take with me, keeping it pretty light today. Wait a minute. I see a boat that looks like it's sinking over there. Running up on this sinking boat was weird and sad enough. But immediately after that, I ran up on a blue heron with something hanging out of his mouth. It wasn't strapped around it, but I couldn't make out if it was trash, a root, or maybe a medical problem. I tried to get closer, but he flew off. I'd never seen that before, and I wanted to help him, but there was nothing I could do.
Doesn't take much to see you're hurting, my dear. The story's written in your eyes. The past you're hiding from just won't disappear. It breaks you down inside. You fear the life you have will burn down in flames if you become too satisfied. You disconnect so no one else feels the pain, to keep the casualties lowered in the fight. Oh, but what you don't know is I wanna go to war for you. No matter what we're up against, I promise I'll keep fighting this.
Okay, so I got some really cool shots today. I'm still not clear on what was hanging out of that bird's mouth, and that sinking boat, just weird. But I did manage to get some birds in flight, and I also managed to get a couple of shots of the osprey, which was really cool. But I really need to get shots of them closer to the water catching fish for that money shot. This was my favorite shot from today. I connected with it for some reason. No, it's not the sharpest, it's not the most colorful, it's just a silhouette of this little guy standing alone in the middle of the lake. I like the composition, the mood, and the way it makes me feel. Anyway, I'll post some shots for you guys to check out on Instagram, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.